And here they come. Break the 4, Budapest. Also off stride 5, Iron Band. They're off. Faster Clint is first away. Fear is leaving from the outside along with Mr. Strata as they trot into the first turn. And there goes Fear. Quickly out front there. Behind the leader is Pastor Clint. Getting away third, Magic Spirit. Mr. Strata settled in fourth. Todger away fifth. Further back sixth there from the second tier is Right Wood. Then we go back, pick up JD Cheese to the number 2, Storm Winds. Gapping to the 8, Southern Bourbon. Those early breakers are well back. Iron Band and Budapest. Both trotting but well off. 29-3 for the leader, Fear. Fear's out there by 3. Pastor Clint. Second by 2 more. In line to the leaders. Traveling third, Magic Spirit. There's a gap of 3 more to Mr. Strata, sitting in fourth, a good 7-away to leader. Rightwood is off the pylons, angled out, uncovered there, trying to advance from 6th. Trying to get around Todger, break the 10. JD Cheese now went on a break, is off stride. They near the half, and it's Fear. Fear is out front with Pastor Clint. Title behind the leader, Magic Spirit in line third, Mr. Strata. Beginning to tip out first over to fourth, half mile 59-3. Rightwood. Off gap cover now is underway, second over. Fighting up there from fifth. Then we go back to Todgers, alone in 6 by 7. And the remainder are well back. Here's Mr. Strata quickly joining Fear. Mr. Strata put alongside Fear now, beginning to clear. Rightwood angling out third. Shuffle back Pastor Clint. Todger is now third over now, just 5 away the leader. They're at the top of the stretch. Mr. Strata to the front. 130 and 2 3/4. Mr. Strata's 2 lengths clear. Just off of the leader now. Rightwood trying to rally up late. Then we go back to Todger. Mr. Strata, final 1/8 of a mile, still there. Rightwood now just off of the leader. Then outside to Todger. Mr. Strata put alongside Rightwood. Here's Rightwood getting to the front. Rightwood, Mr. Strata. Rightwood, Mr. Strata. Pastor Clint rallied late to Todger. 159 and 2. Numbers on the board, 11-6-3-9. Race 4 official approaching the winner's circle. The Psychic Spirit 2-year-old Colton Gelding Stake Trot.